I'm Tyler Iverson, service technician. Today we're going to enter a mix design into an AP2 computer. Simply select Mix Designs. We're going to write a new mix design and we're going to give it a name. Remember when naming mix designs that you clearly name the design you're working on to differentiate it between your other mix designs. For today we're going to use Test. Enter. We can see that we're pouring in cubic yards. If we were out of the country or someplace that uses metric, we would be pouring in meters, and we would simply touch that to highlight meters. We're going to use yards. Next, we're going to enter the conveyor RPM. Different trucks use different RPMs for their conveyor. For today's purposes, we're going to assume we're using a 10-150 and we're using 50 RPMs as a conveyor RPM. We've selected high speed for our cement. We would select low speed if we were going to pour a lower strength concrete or flowable fill. It will automatically populate our cement RPM speed of 77.5. Next is our cement selection. Touch our green bar and select the cement calibration file that we're going to use. Enter. Here's where we would add the weight for our cubic yard. There are many different strengths of concrete and many different pounds in each individual yard. For today, we're going to use 470 pounds. Next, select our water calibration file. And we're going to enter in the amount of gallons we want in our cubic yard. We're going to use 25. Remember, many mix designs call for pounds of water in a cubic yard. Simply take the amount of pounds you want in your cubic yard, divide it by 8.34, and that will give you the amount of gallons for our cubic yard. Select the sand that we're going to use. For today's mix design, we're going to use 1400. Once we enter 1400 in, it's going to show us our target gate setting of 5.9. It's going to show us a conveyor count of 4.80. That's how many conveyor counts it's going to take for us to achieve a cubic yard. Next will be our stone. Use our stone calibration file. You can either touch your calibration file or use the arrows to highlight it, then select that file. We're going to use 1600 pounds for this mix design. It shows our conveyor counts again of 480 and a target gate setting of 5.6. This is where we would add our add mix files. Select the add mix that we want. Enter the amount of ounces we want in our yard. Next. Add mix number 2. Add mix number 3 if your trucks were equipped. Fiber. If your truck is equipped with fiber, this is where we would select our fiber and the amount of pounds we're going to put in our yard. Same with latex. Our last page shows us what we have selected for this mix design. You can see here that we've selected 470 pounds of cement, 25 gallons of water, 1,400 pounds of sand, 1,600 pounds of stone, and 5 ounces of add mix. Our mix design name is Test. Our conveyor speed is 50 RPMs. It's going to take 480 counts to achieve 1 cubic yard, and our cement RPM is 77.5. We've entered our mix design in high speed. At this point, don't forget to press save. We'll save our mix design and it will ask us what preset we want to remember it under. When we're ready to pour concrete, we would simply start a new ticket, select a mix design preset, we'll load our mix design, we'll start our ticket. At the top right corner, it will give us our sand gates and our stone gates, 5.9 and 5.6. We're ready to pour concrete. That's how you enter a mix design into an AP2 computer. I'm Tyler Iverson.